You've mastered long division, fractions, and all the logic puzzles. But the single most important math skill for the real world isn't about working alone. Big challenges, like sending a rocket to Mars or curing a disease, are too complex for one mind. They require a team of people talking, listening, and combining their skills. Why is a team better? Because everyone sees numbers differently. You might have a visual thinker who maps out the problem as a diagram, a number cruncher who sees it as a table of factors, and a logical checker who spots the hidden constraints and errors. Alone, they're smart. Together, they're faster and far more accurate. Think of designing a bridge. One person knows the weight of the cars, another knows the strength of the steel, and a third knows the river's width. If they don't combine their data, the bridge fails. So how do you make it work? It starts with simple rules. Listen before you criticize. Build on ideas, don't just tear them down. And every successful team assigns roles. The most vital might be the challenger. This isn't the person who just says, "You're wrong." They're the one who respectfully asks, "Are we sure?" If a team says 5 plus 5 equals 11, the challenger doesn't shout. They say, "When I check that on my number line, I get 10. Can we look at it together?" They focus on the math, not the person. Ultimately, a great team presentation doesn't just show the answer, it reveals the journey, the strategies that failed, the ideas that evolved. In the professional world, this is called peer review, where other expert teams check your work. It's the highest standard of proof. This is the big secret of real-world math. It's not a silent exam. It's a loud, creative, social activity. Sharing your ideas doesn't weaken them. It makes them bulletproof.